Hello everybody, welcome to another video. A very short video today and a very rare one for me because this car here behind me I actually reported. I don't normally report these. I should report them, especially ones like this. She's so blatantly on the phone and then she cuts me up and then she's got the cheek to bib me. She used a horn on me and I'm still in a funny mood, so the video's a little bit different from normal.
Tracy, I am livid. I am absolutely fuming.
Oh no, Sharon, what's happened? Tell me what's happened.
I'm so angry I don't even think I can explain.
It's okay, Sharon, take a couple of deep breaths. Take your time.
It's my mom.
Oh no, Sharon, whatever it is, I'm here for you.
Tracy, after all these years, I can't believe she's done it again.
Oh my God, Sharon, what has she done?
It's really hard to talk about. It's so upsetting.
It's okay, Sharon, whatever it is, I will be here for you. Just take your time and tell me what happened.
Well, it's like this. Mom made me a cup of tea this morning.
Yes, go on, I'm listening.
Well, she put sugar in it. She knows I don't take sugar.
Oh my God, where are you now?
I'm driving in my car, just about to cut the car up in front of me while being on the phone to you.
You go, girl, you show him.
Tracy, I did it. I even use a horn even though I cut him up. That makes up for sugar in my tea.
Sharon, I hope he hasn't got a dash cam that could cost you 6 points and a fine.
Can my day get any worse?
Well, yes, it can get worse. I did report this car. First one I've reported in a very long time.
Have a nice day.
Well, thanks for watching. I said it was a short one. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.